I always thought the thing to do was to defend oneself, right? But over time I have learned quite a lot of what goes on in Twitter particularly is a sort of an echo chamber. So you'll find in recent months I don't argue back as much. I make my point. If you don't like it, tough luck. That's my position and I go forward.
Would you stop using terms like that to directly label people as a bully?
No.
Or to refer to people as a clown?
No, if somebody is a bully, they're a bully and they need to be called out as a bully. A couple of things I am very strong on, and one of them is bullying. Bullying has cost people their lives in this country. In 2012, when I was president of the Teachers Union of Ireland, I had to travel to a school in the north of this country where two young girls had both committed suicide within a week of one another over online bullying. It's very easy to sit here with your mobile device and make comments online without having to face a person face to face. All of us have our mental health to mind and to take care of. And these people who continually attack time and time and time again, they are seeking to damage one's mental health, and that is something that we have to learn to control. So there is a need where social media is concerned for education, and I would love to see a situation where we would treat social media as we would if we met in a public place and had a discussion.
I think we can all agree with that. I mean, and I'll move on from this in a second, but it would be great if there was a baseline of behaviour on social media, but as a public representative and as a senator, to label people, even with a term like a bully, could you not see how that itself could be seen as bullying?
No, I don't believe it.
You don't believe that?
No, I don't. And
in any context?
If you're talking about calling some anonymous individual a bully, I don't see how that can be in any way damaging to that person. I don't see it. And at the end of the day, I've said this both in the workplace, because there's serious problems with bullying in the workplace. I have said wherever there is bullying, people need to speak out, and they need to say, this person is a bully, they need to stop.